Good morning from Punta Cana in the Dominican Republic. I still am in shock that we are here. This is absolutely amazing. So we are having the best morning. Just woke up early with the sunrise and it has just been so amazing. Been getting ready in the room, me and my roommate Brooke, and we just ordered room service and we've been enjoying that. I will insert that clip right now. Day 2, Punta Cana, our room service. Look at this spread. Got pancakes, juices, everything. They brought it up and were so sweet and helpful. Got this whole thing set up. That food was amazing. The pancakes were my absolute favorite part. I don't know what they did, but they are like so sweet and oh, it is delicious. So today we have a really exciting day ahead. We have a full packed day of resort tours that we're gonna get on the bus and go and be touring multiple different properties here in Punta Cana. So yeah, this is amazing. Me as a first time out of the country, first time all-inclusive person, I'm in awe. I just like everything. I'm like, this is all complimentary. Like we can order room service and it's free, and like it really is just amazing. Like all the drinks are free. Like it's a party. It's amazing. This is such a cool vibe and it's so neat. So yeah, yesterday we got in, just really spent the time checking in. They give you champagne upon your arrival at check-in, and we had the preferred check-in, preferred lounge in there, and they just like, you sit back in the chairs and they bring you anything you need to sign. It is like the most relaxed check-in process you would ever want to see. Then we went and we got some lunch, a little, it wasn't really like lunch, we called it like our dinner snack because we had the dinner in like 3 hours from that. So we just kind of had like a little, you know, something quick from the buffet, because once again it's free, it's all included in an all-inclusive, so you can just walk into the buffet and for free get some snack food. So it's really cool. So we did that, then kind of just walked around. We were still had all of our backpacks and everything, so we were kind of just taking some pictures, and then when we were able to go to our room soon after our room was ready, came in, explored the room. It is gorgeous. We really are very happy with the room, and we have this view overlooking at the courtyard here and kind of a little bit of the pool on the side as well, which is really nice. So yeah, we just kind of relaxed and refreshed. All of us were exhausted yesterday. We had a long travel day, so took that time to just kind of like refresh, and it was really nice. And then it came time to walk to our very first dinner that we all had together. It was so nice just to catch up and talk with everyone, and we had a really nice time. So we did that. Dinner was excellent. Once again, all-inclusive, so it's like when you're done, you just stand up and walk away. It's like you don't have to pay the bill or anything. Really, the all-inclusive environment I really, really like. So we did that, and from that point we kind of just made a slow stroll back to our room and called it a night, because we needed to rest up, and now those beds were so comfortable, and now I'm feeling very refreshed, had my breakfast in me, and I'm just excited. It's gonna be a great day. Look at this view that we have to wake up to on the balcony. And there's the pool. There's like no one in the pool this morning. It's so quiet. That is something we have not done yet. Some people jumped in the pool yesterday. We came in and we were getting kind of rested up for dinner. But today, I would love to get in the pool or walk down to the beach. We still have to do that too. Yeah, that was the other thing, was we kind of like saw the beach, but actually when we were walking to dinner, it started raining, and it's kind of like Florida where it does like a tropical rain. It will rain for, it seriously rained for 20 minutes, and it was like raining, but then it was gone, and I mean, the skies cleared and it was absolutely perfect. They said that happens this time of year, that it might just rain and then don't let it ruin your day, because just wait 20 minutes and it will be gone, just like in Florida in Disney World. So that kind of happened. So when we walked to dinner, we didn't really get to see too much of the beach, even though we kind of walked along the side of it. So today I can't wait to go down and just explore the whole beach and see everything. Also, side note, look at this display of these flowers. How gorgeous is it? It's in a little wheelbarrow thing. Like we said, doesn't that look like something at Flower and Garden? So cute. So me and Brooke, we actually made a detour over here to come see the beach. This is the most beautiful beach It's just perfect. It is like something in a postcard. Look at how pretty. Hola. Hola. Okay, so we just walked off the beach. This is like, everything is right here for you. Here's the beach, there's the gorgeous ocean. You come this way, and here is one of the many pools. Just look how quiet and peaceful this is. So pretty. There's so many like alcoves and little cabanas and chairs. Swim up bar right there. Morning. Look at this. We were kind of walking through here. That's where the World Cafe where we ate yesterday. Look how pretty. All right, we got the gang together. Here's the gang. Hi. Hello, ladies. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Hi. So this is the open air lobby where we checked in. How did I know that was gonna happen just now? Karen, what do you do? This is selfies, right?
Yes.
Yes, it got invented on the cruise and it's been around ever since.
Sneak up behind people and grab a
picture. We'll insert that picture. That's gonna be priceless.
unexpected.
Yes, that's what makes it all the more fun. Yes, but here's the open air lobby. So we checked in right over there and they took us over to the preferred lounge. It's so pretty in here. We are now getting ready to do a full tour of the Dreams resort that we are currently staying at.
And I'm like, oh, that, I was searching on some kind of sports page. I just keep batting.
You take a bus. It is pretty long. Yeah. You can take a little golf cart.
Oh, I want to do this. I love hibachi.
Five minutes before we invite her back, so you can enter and enjoy your.
It's not like Florida when you're out in the hot, you go into it's like an icebox and then you go out and it's like
Inside, this is winter.
yeah. I'll go
Oh, it would, just to get, yeah, you're trying to see this.
Yes.
When you jab to the right, to that way. See, this is why you do the
Is that not the cutest thing?
Open for breakfast, lunch, after 11 p.m. Use one part of the restaurant. Do you want to see the space or?
Huh?
I think we got it started.
And even for the well experienced, it's still a little bit of a challenge.
We want you to see the difference between
honeymoon suite.
Oh, this is the honeymoon suite.
Dining.
These are all the
Lounge
agents I'm trying
area,
to look
bed.
for. Something I'm off by myself doing things. Well, I don't think it's working.
Do they have air conditioner?
Honeymoon.
Body lotion in my hair. Oh, they didn't give us any conditioner in our room.
It's just shampoo, conditioner.
Oh, it's the same thing. Yeah.
Shampoo one.
Yeah, that doesn't work for me. I'm like putting this body lotion over here.
You put body lotion? I almost did that. But I went to my luggage and grabbed my conditioner.
To make a note.
Is that why
Breathe closer every moment.
air conditioning, but I know that's what you guys are doing.
What we just toured was a honeymoon suite. It was gorgeous. You have 2 different private baths. You have the balcony that you can enter from both the living room space and the bedroom. Very, very nice. Gorgeous room. So we're all going along on our tour. We're seeing all the different amenities. We have the pool right back there, beach over on this side. It's amazing how close the 2 are. Oh wow, this is to have a destination wedding. How gorgeous.
I have a pair of Tevas too, but I think they're healthy, so I don't think for old clients.
This one,
This
yeah.
space normally is left for our groups or wedding activities. So if they have to prepare to set up a Wi-Fi service for all our clients and bring some documents or e-passes. Watch out, guys.
Hello.
How are you? Good.
I got here and I was like,
you want it? And you're gonna love me more than you love anybody in the whole world. You promise. Oh, you poor thing. She goes, what do I get to you? Oh, sorry, no. Oh, please. Yes. Yeah. This is totally effective.
So me and Brooke just came into the Preferred Club here to get some little snacks to take on the road. We just did our full tour of the Dreams Resort where we're staying here, and now we're going to get ready in a little bit to get on the bus and then go tour some other properties, which will be fun. Look at the size of these raisins. That's great. I've never seen a raisin that size. Little donut. Oh, those look good. All the breakfast items are out now. We wanted to grab some fruit. Oh, they have fresh juices. Watermelon juice. Oh, presentation. I love it. That's adorable.
The full price. That if you're at the market stores or the vendors on the beach or anybody coming into the hotels, you can haggle. If someone said to me $100, I would offer them $5 and pay no more. Buy out and about, do not have any liquid in. You do, if you buy a bottle and it has no liquid in, you do have to take it to the local bartender and they'll have to put the liquid in you.
Weird. Right? I feel it is.
Seafood restaurant. We also have Coca Bongos. Do want to go out in the evening. Coca Bongos is a great evening show. The prices do start at $60, ranging up to $200. No price differences depending on the nights that you go and the different packages, whether you want the normal service or the VIP. We just had KFC open on the right hand side as well, so we all got excited when we got a KFC. So there are plenty of places who want to leave the resort. Most of the hotels do offer free shuttle services to these complexes. Jumbo is an excellent supermarket. So it's quite cheap to go and see the movies out here. Supplier, where we have a rum shack, so you can try and buy the local rum. You can go and see the cigars being made, so you can try the cigars and see the guys making the cigars. We also have a coffee house, we have a chocolate house, land with buggies, and then you would get your lunch included as well. Starts at $75 per person. Here on the right hand side we have the Barcelo. So in there we have the Barcelo Bavro Beach, which is adults only, and then we have the Barcelo Palex Deluxe. 1,000 rooms opening tomorrow, and they're building another 2,000.
Wow.
I went last week. It's not quite ready to open. I went and did a... And we also have the Paradises Palma Real, the Reserve, and the Circle that just opened last year. On the left hand side we have a golf course. We do have some fabulous golf courses starting at $99 right up to $400. They are adjoining hotels, so staying at Secrets Royal Beach. They have use of all the full facilities at Now Lara.
We're now going to tour the Now Lamar. They just handed us all some drinks when we stepped inside.
Yeah.